I am going to be showing you how to use mayonnaise and egg to treat your natural hair. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to Phayte Effect. So guys, as you can see, I am in the bathroom and today I am going to be showing you how to use mayonnaise and egg to treat your natural hair. I know if you will say Phayte has come again, but yes, I am back. I love anything that will make you grow your natural hair in a very healthy way. Okay, I'm all big on growing that healthy natural hair. So guys, today I am going to be sharing with you 5 benefits of using mayonnaise and egg on your hair. I obviously will not bring anything to you that doesn't have benefits. You guys know how we do over here at Phayte Effect. So if you know you're ready, let's go.
Benefits of using mayonnaise and egg hair mask. It hydrates and adds shine to your hair. It reduces dandruff. It strengthens the hair follicles. Egg contains amino acids that helps your hair to grow. Not only that, eggs contain vitamins A, D, E, and fatty acid that helps and nourishes your hair.
So guys, now that we know the benefits of using mayonnaise and egg on your natural hair, it is just right that we jump straight into today's video without wasting any time. But do not forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment below in the comment section, telling me if you have actually tried this hair treatment, and if you're willing to try, please also go ahead and tell me in the comment section. And also don't forget to share it to your friends and your family. You can actually be helping somebody that actually wants to grow a healthy and luscious and black natural hair. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification. It is that little bell button close to the subscribe button, so please do not forget to turn on your post notification so that you can know when Phayte Effect actually drops a new YouTube video. So guys, with enough said, let's jump straight into today's video and let's get moisturizing.
Okay, ingredients to make mayonnaise and egg hair mask. We are just using 3 ingredients to do: 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 raw eggs, and 1 teaspoon of honey. So guys, I have my empty bowl and this is my 1 cup. This is my measuring cup, but in case if you do not have this, you can get it in the market or you could use your normal cup at home. So right now I am adding my mayonnaise into this cup. You want to make sure it is 1 cup, and now I'm adding it into my bowl. I have 2 eggs and I'm breaking it right now into this. It looks like I am making some kind of dessert. Now I have my natural honey. You want to get pure honey, not those honey that ants used to follow, but natural one. Okay, so right now I am putting 1 teaspoon of honey into it, and I don't know why, but I just liked how I was just playing with it. It looks like something that I could eat, but don't eat it though. It's for your hair. After adding the honey, it is time for us to mix. Okay, so you're going to mix it until it turns into a paste here, and this is how it looks. Straight to the point, guys. So right now it's time for me to apply this mayonnaise and egg hair mask on my hair. So the first thing is to wet my hair. As you can see, it is all wet, and now it is just time for us to put this thing. So you guys know me on this YouTube channel. One thing that I always do is that I put my hair in 4 sections, but today I did not just have the strength, so I just clipped it, the hair clip, and I took one section from it and I started applying this mayonnaise and egg hair mask on it. One thing about me is I am going to get that hair mask everywhere, and when I mean everywhere, I mean everywhere. I'm talking about the roots, the main hair, the scalp, everywhere, because I feel like all the vitamins and nutrients that come from our mayonnaise, egg and honey should go into my hair. And I noticed that when I put that thing on my hair was extremely soft. When you just finish loosening your hair or something and it's an afro and it's just like very hard for you to comb. I did not experience anything like that when I was using this mayonnaise and egg hair mask on my hair. So after applying it on my hair, I started to twist it, just to lock in all the product into the hair while I do the rest of the hair. Time to apply it on the back of the hair. As you can see, I do not joke when it comes to the back of the hair, because I've noticed a lot of people, and I've watched a lot of natural hair videos, they do not emphasize on how you should make your hair equal. I mean, if you are applying a product to your hair to make your hair grow, most people would focus on the front, and I used to be like that too. Like, I'll focus on the front of my hair more, but then I started noticing that the front of my hair was now extremely longer than the back, and that cannot happen. Like, your hair is just supposed to, even if it's not perfectly equal, it should just be close to it. So that's why it's advisable that the same love you show to the front hair, you should also show it to the back. You should also show it to the middle of the hair. Show it to every single corner of that hair. As you can see, guys, after I apply the mayonnaise and egg on my hair, I would comb it, just to reduce the friction of the hair, and then, as I said, twist it to lock it in. If you do not twist it, it is most likely not to lock it in. So guys, the reason I like trying all these protein treatments on my hair is because I noticed that it made my hair follicle stronger. That is, before I would comb my hair and it will break. That means I must have neglected it, because I always do a natural treatment on my hair every week, except if I have a protective style on. And I've noticed the changes, guys. If you go to one of my first natural hair videos, I have this video on my page that I used avocado and banana hair mask on my hair. And if you see my hair that time, like 2 years ago, and you see my hair right now, you'll notice the difference. Like, there's a lot of difference in growth. I have done a lot of things over time on my hair, using onions on my hair, using egg and oils on my hair. So I've literally done a lot of things on my hair. I've applied a lot of things on my hair, but one thing that I have been consistent with is making sure it is natural. Okay, I mean, if you can use relaxers on your hair, no offense to people that do that, you should also be able to add natural things to your hair. Just like your body needs food, your hair also needs food. So if you've not tried any natural treatment on your hair, any protein treatment to strengthen your hair follicles, you need to start today. And I have this playlist on my channel which is called natural hair videos. So if you click on it, you can just see all the natural hair videos to start your healthy natural hair journey today. So guys, as you can see, I am still applying, I'm still combing, and I am still twisting to get all that product into my hair, and voila, we are done. But I still had some of the hair mask, so I decided to just apply it and massage it into my scalp. You guys know massaging your hair too can, help your hair grow, and it just helps with a lot of things. I read it, so you need to massage everything into it, and I'm still trying to get it in places. But I did not allow it to waste though. I decided to get it everywhere, and you want to make sure you do this in the bathroom so that it doesn't mess up your house or whatever. It's easier to clean in your bathroom. And the reason I do not have a towel on is because it kept falling off. So right now, this is my nylon. If you have a shower cap, you could use it, but I don't know, I actually just prefer using this nylon on my hair. I'm using two. This is to just lock in all the products that we've used, and now I am using the towel to wrap my head to just seal everything into it. So guys, I'm going to be leaving it on my hair for 40 minutes, and after that it is time for me to wash it off. So as you can see, I'm taking off the nylon that I used on it. My hair is extremely soft and moisturized, and now I'm just going ahead to loosen all the twists that I did, because right now it's time for us to wash it. Finally all done, and now it looks like I dyed my hair white. But anyway guys, it's time for us to wash it. But as you can see, I was just feeling the hair, I was feeling the look, like sure, I'm not considering dyeing my hair white. Anyway, this is me after washing my hair. The shrinkage is real, yo. And now I'm just going ahead to towel dry my hair. Can you see how dark my hair is, guys? I can't wait to blow dry it and show you guys how it looks, because shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is very real. Like, once you add water to your hair, it will shrink. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how my hair looks, and this is it blow dried. I love the outcome of it. I love how healthy my hair was feeling, and I actually wanted to make my hair I wanted to do braids. So this is me when I was doing the hair. I was just feeling like the length and everything, my hair was extremely thick, and I could feel that it was healthy. And this is the protective style that I have on. As you can see, my scalp, everything is just looking really fine, and I'm just happy that I actually got to do this mayonnaise and egg treatment on my hair.